In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a template to a Miro board. Whether you're working alone or collaborating with a team, Miro is a versatile tool that can make brainstorming, planning, and designing much more efficient and enjoyable. By using templates, you can quickly set up a workspace that's tailored to your needs, saving time and enhancing productivity. Let's get started by opening up your Miro dashboard. This is the central hub where all your projects reside, kind of like your personal workspace command center. Here, you may already see a collection of boards that you're working on or have completed. To add a template, you'll want to create a new board, which is the first step in our process. You'll notice a button labeled plus Create New. Clicking this gives you a drop-down with several options to start a new project. From these options, select Explore Templates. This will open up what's known as the Template Picker, a powerful feature Miro offers to help you choose from a variety of preset templates. Here, you'll find different categories that accommodate various purposes. Everything from brainstorming sessions and customer journey maps to strategic planning and agile workflows. Take your time scrolling through the options until you find one that perfectly matches your project needs. Once you've decided on a template, click on it to get a preview. This might include text, images, pre-configured elements, or notes that are commonly used in that type of work. If it looks like a good fit, you can proceed by clicking on the Use Template button. When you do this, Miro will open the template in a fresh board. This board functions as its own entity, meaning you can customize it extensively without worrying about altering the original template or affecting any of your other boards. With your new template-based board, you're ready to dive into customization. You can add, remove, or modify elements as much as needed. This flexibility allows for the template to be molded into a workspace that perfectly suits the specific requirements of your project or team. It's like having a moldable canvas where creativity and structure go hand in hand. Additionally, this new board holds the potential to be copied or repurposed for future projects. If you find a particular layout or setup works well and might benefit future efforts, consider saving a version to use as a starter for subsequent tasks. It's an easy way to ensure continuity in how you approach projects, while also streamlining the setup process. By following these steps, you can seamlessly incorporate templates into your Miro boards, enhancing your workflow and keeping your projects organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy creating in Miro.